In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collection list page to the main navigation in Shopify. This is really useful if you want a single menu item that takes your customers to a page showing all of your collections in one place. That way, instead of having to link each collection individually in your navigation, you can give shoppers an easy starting point to browse everything you offer. Let's start on your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Content. Go ahead and click on Content and you'll see more options appear underneath it. From those options, choose Menus. This is where you manage all the navigation menus for your store. On the Menus page, you'll see a list of the menus you already have set up. Look for the one called Main Menu. This is usually the menu that appears at the top of your online store, so click on Main Menu to open the editor for it. Inside the Main Menu editor, you'll see all of your existing menu items listed out. Scroll down to the bottom of that list and click on the button that says Add Menu Item. This is how you add a new link to your store's navigation. A panel will open where you can set up this new menu item. First, give it a clear label. You can type something like Collections or any name that makes sense for your store and for your customers. This label is exactly what will appear in your navigation bar. Next, you need to connect this menu item to the right page. Under Link, click into the text box. A drop-down will appear with different link options. From this drop-down, select Collections. Then within that section, choose All Collections. This option tells Shopify to send people to a page that automatically shows every collection you've set up in your store. Once you've chosen All Collections, double-check that everything looks correct. The name of the menu item, and the link pointing to all collections. When you're happy with it, click Save. You'll usually find the Save button either at the bottom right of the page or near the top, close to the search bar. Now let's test what you just created. On the left-hand sidebar of your Shopify dashboard, hover over Online Store. An eye icon will appear on its right side. Click that eye icon to open a preview of your live store in a new tab. In the storefront preview, look at your main navigation. You should now see the new menu item you created, like Collections. Click it, and you should be taken to your collection list page, where all of your collections are displayed. If you don't see it appear right away, don't worry. Sometimes changes take a moment to update. Try doing a hard refresh of the page in your browser to force it to reload the latest version. After that, your new collections link should be visible and working. And that's all you need to add a collection list page to your main navigation in Shopify.